Hello everyone. Today we are going to be making a snow globe. And so to start our snow globe, you're going to get two pieces of paper, a big light blue paper and a smaller brown paper. The light blue paper is going to be for the globe of our snow globe. So we are going to trace this circle around our paper. You will notice that it barely fits on the page. So it's right there on the edge. So just do your best to hold it there. And even when you squish it, if it's a little off the edge, that's okay. Just trace what you can. It'll still end up looking like a globe, even if there is a few flat spots. So after you trace your circle, you're going to cut it out. Then I'm going to make the base of my snow globe. The base is what the snow globe sits on. And I'm going to use my brown paper to do that. So I'm going to start by folding it in half like a book. So when I look at it, I should be able to open it as if I were reading. So this should be the fold right here, and then the other three sides should be open. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a crayon that'll show up on my paper, so any color, and I'm just going to draw a little diagonal line. I'm going to start at the bottom corner, and I'm going to go up, but I don't have to make it to the corner. We want it to be a little flat at the top. And I'm just going to cut on that diagonal line. Now you will end up with two extra little triangles, but then in the middle, when you open it up, you'll end up with a kind of looks like a volcano actually, but when we put our circle on it, it'll look like the base of our snow globe. So let's put some glue at the top, and we'll put this right here. And the first thing we're going to do, now that we have it glued together, is we're going to draw a scene in the middle. Now I have a scene of a snowman here with a tree and some snow falling, but I'm going to come up with a different idea for this one. But first I need to get my crayons. Because I need my white, because I'm going to start by drawing a nice snowy hill. Because when you shake a snow globe and all the snow stirs up and falls, it ends in a pile at the bottom of the globe. So I'm just going to start by adding a hill of white. Now this time I think I'm going to draw Rudolph in my picture. So to draw a reindeer, I'm going to draw a triangle for its head. And then give it a little neck. Circle, or actually it's an oval, not a circle. And then some long, skinny rectangle legs, maybe a little tail. And before I color the face in, I'm going to add some details. I'm going to add Rudolph's nose right here. I'm going to give him some eyes. And then I'm going to color around the rest of his face with the brown. Then I'm going to find a darker brown, and I'm going to give him his antlers. So actually, this is the same color brown, but that is okay. And ears. All right, so there's Rudolph. Now I still have a lot of room in my picture, so I can come up with other things that might be in the picture with Rudolph. Like maybe I will add another tree like I did to my snowman. But maybe this time it will be a winter tree that doesn't have all of its leaves on it anymore. Maybe just a few here and there. Kind of looks like Charlie Brown's Christmas tree. Then I'm going to fill the sky with snow. Now this is a fun way I like to make snowflakes. I make a line, then I turn it into an X, and then I do a center line, and then another one, and it looks like a big fat snowflake. So let me add a lot more big falling snowflakes And now my scene in the middle is complete. But also, you can decorate the base of your snow globe with line and pattern designs. So I'm just going to draw a line here, maybe a wavy line also below it. And then I'm going to color some of that in with some green. I'm going to add some circles through here, maybe some bigger green or red circles going around it, and then a straight line. You can see on this one I did a completely different pattern. Okay, so when you're finished with your snow globe, we're going to hang these up in the hallway, and we're going to take down our other pictures. So make sure your name is on it, and make sure your room number's on it, and work your hardest. And I can't wait to see these hanging in the hallway and have an incredible art class.